Jai Hind and welcome back. I hope you might have watched all my previous videos. पीछे का जितना ही वीडियोस में I try to explain about the Cold War, then the formation of USSR, रशिया से USSR कैसे बना. मैंने फेब्रुअरी रिवॉल्यूशंस, अक्टूबर रिवॉल्यूशंस के बारे में बात कर चुका हूँ मैं. Also I talked a lot about, you can say, the First World War. Then in the post First World War, what was the scenario in USSR? USSR का फॉर्मेशन कैसे हुआ, राइट? अक्टूबर रिवॉल्यूशन के बाद कैसे USSR का फॉर्मेशन कैसे हुआ, कैसे 15 कंट्री एक साथ आके दे फॉर्म USSR. Then Lenin, what was the time period of Lenin and the administrative setup during Lenin. Then how after the death of Lenin in 1923-24, the administration was took over by Stalin, and Stalin continued from 1924 till 1953, such a long duration of time, जिसके अंदर के आपका सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर भी हुआ था. एंड दैट वाज 1939 में सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर स्टार्ट हुआ. उससे पहले द राइज ऑफ हिटलर, राइज ऑफ द फासिस्ट पावर. एंड उस टाइम पीरियड में इवन द ग्रेट इकोनॉमिक डिप्रेशन हुआ था 1929 से लेकर 33 के बीच में. उसमें कैसे यूएसएसआर सर्वाइव किया अपने आप को. देन rise of Stalin in the different phases. In my videos I explain rise of Stalin in phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Very meticulously I planned all my video, and I have explained that the birth of USSR. Already I have explained the rise of USSR during Lenin and during Stalin. So till 1953, from 1924 till 1953, this is the huge duration it was being ruled by Stalin. And he was a dictator. He was not a president, you can say, rather he was called a dictator. Though there are lots of developmental activities taken place during the time of during this particular period of time. The Second World War fought. He struggled with, you can say, the Great Economic Depression. Then the infant USSR being brought into the mightiest power in the world, and she stood against USA as one of the superpower. उसके बाद 1945 के बाद द कोल्ड वॉर सिनेरियो स्टार्ट होता है, बिकॉज वर्ल्ड में दो सुपर पावर होते हैं. वन वाज यूएसए एंड द सेकंड वन वाज यूएसएसआर, राइट? एंड यूएसएसआर ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ द स्टालिन, इट राइज ए लॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मिलिट्री एंड अदर्स एस्पेक्ट्स. दो द एरा ड्यूरिंग द स्टालिन वाज अदरवाइज नोन एज ए टोटलिटेरियन गवर्नमेंट और ए डिक्टेटरशिप और ए फासिस्ट पावर, यू कैन से. दो दे हैव कम्युनिज्म, and their policy was entirely, economic policy was entirely different, entirely opposite to USA. So there was always a ideological clashes between USA and USSR. So what are the thing that being responsible for, you can say, the fall of USSR? इतना strong power, इतना एक super power, दुनिया का super power 1991 में कोलैप्स कैसे हो गया? And rather you can say that's the collapse of the communism. कम्युनिज्म कोलैप्स कैसे हो गया? क्या रीज़न रहा होगा कि इतना बड़े पावर बनने के बाद भी 1991 में कोलैप्स हो गया, राइट? एंड it's not only, you can see, the collapse of or the fall of Soviet Union, but that's the end of the Cold War also. And the world, earlier it was a bipolar world, you can say, or bipolarizations. But after 1900 and 1991, now it's a unipolar world. Rather, you can say multipolar world. And after the fall of the Soviet Union or USSR, you can say, lots of political, economic and the other changes taken place in the world. That's why 1900 and 1991, that particular year mark as an important, in the history of the world, not only in the political history of the world, but also in the economic history of the world. Because it's make a remarkable change in the world in the aspects of socio-political and economic activities.